Our next slide here is how to go about downloading it if you don't already have SPSS on your computer. So you have to go to the CCS software catalog, which I've linked in the slides. And I can also show you how to do this live. So you go to the software catalog, which looks something like this. This is all of the different software options at the university that we can help you with. And if you scroll down, you can find IBM SPSS, which is this one right here. On this product page, it gives you all the information that you need. There's two main things you have to remember to do if you're downloading this for the first time. You have to scroll down to download software and pick whether you're working in Windows or Mac, so an Apple product. So that's how to get the software on your computer. But then once you have the software, you also need an activation key. So a little bit higher, here we are, on how to purchase. There's a section for students and a section for staff, faculty, and IT admin. So you have to pick which one you are, whether you're a student or a staffer, faculty, or an IT. If you're a student, you have to fill out this authorized user activation code request form every semester, and you'll get a new key every semester that you put into your SPSS so that you can use the software. If you are staff, faculty, or IT, you have to fill out the concurrent user license request form. You have to do that once per year. It resets, I believe, at the end of the summer. So if you're student every semester, staff once a year. And what happens is when you fill out this request form, you will get an email with all of the instructions you need to download the software, put in the activation code, make sure everything's working.